If you want to protect your kidneys, don't do this. Kidneys are very important for our health in general. Yes, kidneys are responsible for removing all the harmful toxins out of the body and keeping our organism clean and toxic-free. They are small in size, but they perform an enormously important function in the body. This means that you need to pay close attention to all kidney problems, and they should be treated seriously as a great issue. According to the latest statistics, almost 20 million Americans are having some kind of kidney disease or problem. The best way to treat some kind of kidney problem or disease is to find the actual cause. And, probably, the most common causes of kidney problems are high blood pressure and diabetes. Also, it may come as a consequence of some genetic disorder. For example, if someone in your family has experienced some problems with immunity or kidneys. Without kidneys, your body won't be able to maintain a balanced blood flow, keep the mineral and water level at optimum, use vitamin D and support your bones, support the production of red blood cells and provide enough oxygen to the cells, eliminate the chemicals, toxins and waste that comes as a result of the digestion process, drugs and physical activity. The first signs of kidney failure include fatigue, weakness, difficult, painful urination, foamy urine, pink, dark urine, blood in urine, increased need to urinate, especially at night, puffy eyes, increased thirst. Here are some of the factors which may influence your kidneys' function negatively, meaning you should stop doing them right away. Insufficient water intake. If you don't drink enough water, your kidneys may start malfunctioning. We all know that one of the kidney's main functions is to flush out metabolic waste from the body and regulate erythrocyte production. So, if you don't have enough water in your body, your blood gets more concentrated and the blood flow to the kidneys gets reduced. This affects the kidney's ability to remove toxins from the body, which eventually leads to toxin accumulation in the body. You should drink at least 10 to 12 glasses of water every day, healthy adults, and this amount will be sufficient for the proper functioning of these vital organs. Consuming too much coffee. Don't drink too much coffee, because the caffeine found in coffee can damage your kidneys if it's in excessive amounts, because it can lead to hypertension and overwork your kidneys. This can have some serious consequences on the long run. A recent study has revealed a relation between excessive amounts of caffeine and kidney stones because caffeine increases calcium excretion in urine. Note: the optimal dose should be 1 to 2 cups of coffee and 3 cups of tea a day. High salt consumption. Ladies and gentlemen, you should avoid salt, because it could cause significant damage to your kidneys as well as damage your health in general. Your kidneys metabolize about 95% of the sodium we take through food, so excessively high amounts of it can overwork them and cause complications. And, the high sodium consumption makes your kidneys work harder to eliminate the excess salt. Consequently, this results in reduced kidney function and water retention in the body. Water retention, on the other hand, can increase blood pressure, which further worsens your kidney health. Drinking too much alcohol. High amounts of alcohol can lead to serious kidney problems. High amounts of alcohol can lead to uric acid being deposited in the renal tubules and lead to tubular obstruction. This increases the risk of kidney failure. Moreover, alcohol causes dehydration, thus affecting normal kidney function. The recommended dosage would be 2 drinks for men and 1 drink for women and seniors. Lack of sleep. According to experts, adults should get 6 to 8 hours of sound sleep every night. Anything less can have damaging effects in the long run. While you sleep, your organ tissues regenerate. So, when you are sleep deficient, this regeneration process is hindered, which results in kidney and other organ damage. Your kidneys will operate perfectly if you have healthy sleeping habits and a sound walk-rest balance.